Welcome to the latest edition of the display showroom. In this episode we're going to take a look at the next range of our LED lights. So here we're going to focus on the LED floodlight. Now this would be the equivalent to the PS1060 if you've used our LED range in the past. So here in front of me you have the options. The first one we're going to have a look at is the two light kit. So as the name suggests, it is two floodlights with a power pack, with a 2.5 meter connecting lead and two light blocks for linear extrusion. Now the great thing with these kits is you can actually power 5 lights from one transformer. So that takes us on to the next kit in the range. So essentially what we have here is a single light with a connecting lead and just a lighting block. So no power. So if you wanted to take a 2-light kit and build a larger exhibition stand, you'd start buying single lights and then just connecting them on until you get up to your 5 light maximum. Now if you're doing a small display, you can still buy a single light. What you'd have to do is buy the single light kit and then you'd buy a separate power pack slash transformer to power that individual light. Now one of the great features with the new range of LED lights is on the back of here we have a built-in fitting which is suitable for linear and vector, and we also have the channel in the center which allows us to add it onto products like the Quick Plus and the Exclaim frames. So very versatile light. So as I said previously, we have a built-in fitting, so this can just be slid into the channel, tilted forward, and that can rest there. The light head can be pivoted to obviously highlight your chosen graphic. Then we can just power this up to there, angle the head. Now if I want to add my second light, so I just put in my connecting lead, bring it around here, add my second light. So the light itself, the head is quite a small, neat profile, but very, very powerful. So this will give out 5600 Kelvin in terms of the colour of the light, which is a nice, cool white light, in stock and available now. As with everything, technology evolves. Now this is the latest technology in terms of LED lighting. So these are very, very long lasting. They'll give you an average life expectancy of 22,000 hours, which is fantastic. One of the great features is during everyday use, they won't get hot like your traditional halogen lights. So you're not going to burn your fingers or get a suntan when you stood underneath it. The main benefit is obviously the low running costs. So although they might be slightly more expensive to buy as an initial upfront cost, but over the long-term life expectancy of the light, you'll actually be saving a lot of money. Very tough, very durable, not to mention very, very stylish. Thanks for watching and see you soon.